Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the MOM or MOM implementation error you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So this is usually related to an AMD Catalyst software error you're going to be getting. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. I'm going to type in msconfig. Best match should come back with system configuration. Just want to left click on that one time. Now you want to left click on the startup tab. And on Windows 10 you have to left click on this open task manager button. But Windows 7 and Windows 8 it's the same idea here. And you're going to look for something in this list that says Catalyst Control Center. It might be near the bottom of the list. It really depends on how many startup items you have in here. And you just want to left click on it and then go down and left click on disable. So once you found it, just left click on disable down here. I don't have it on this virtual environment, but again it would be a Catalyst Control Center, and there's probably a little copyright sign next to the Catalyst in the name of it. So again, Catalyst Control Center, you'd want to locate it on Windows 7 or Windows 8. There'd probably be a little checkbox next to it on the left side. Just want to uncheck it and then left click on apply and OK. On Windows 10 you're just going to select it from this list and then left click on disable down here in the bottom right, and it's pretty straightforward. If you ever want to re-enable it, it would give you an option to enable it if it was disabled. So pretty straightforward. Do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.